This is Keisha here at TradeWithResolve.com, and this will be a live day trading video. If you're interested in learning more about the stock market or viewing live day trades, please consider subscribing to the channel for more content. I'm currently in Facebook here. I decided to buy 10 call contracts because I believe that the price of Facebook is going to increase. Let's see what happens with the price action. I now have just one contract left and I'm just about to sell here. And I am all out, so a very nice trade. I'm up $297 here. We're just now about 45 minutes into the trading day, so not a bad trade overall. I hope you enjoyed this live day trade, and if you did, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.